But once again, his physical transformation.
So how many times has Michael Jackson had?
I think it's affected him. I think it's even affected his. He loves kids, big dudes.
Heal the world. We must start by healing our children.
You hurt him time and again, fed the news with your lies, but in vain, cause you never broke down, stood stiff and sound, kept moving the world, but you followed him around, don't know him enough, and still you call him a freak, never stopped at him bad, thought he was weak, you could never understand that he's the man who's healing the world in all the ways he can. Try to harm him now and I'll block your way, hurl a stone at him, will make you feel the pain, be a hate you fight against all the hate, won't ever let you bother him again. Now how can you think that you're fooling me, when the truth out there is for all to see? Through all the times you will be, we're not just friends, we are his swollen shields.
I am not guilty of these allegations. I ask all of you to wait and hear the truth before you label or condemn me. Don't treat me like a criminal, as I am innocent.
He's the king of pop, we have no doubts about it, His music parts up our heartbeats, we'll always stand by him, He's the man we've always loved, he taught us how we should be, Spreading love and peace around, like he's always been the king. Goes out of his way to lend a helping hand, to heal the broken hearts he finds. When everybody ignored their cries, he's the only angel in disguise. When they're crying alone, lost in the time, wiping off the tears, he makes them smile. Why this never made it to your TV screen, never was in print in the news that you read. Try to harm him now and I'll block